Embark on a journey where machine mastery meets relentless innovation with no bounds. Precision, speed, and ingenuity converge at our doorstep. Welcome to Ctme, CNC Machine Repair and Electrical Services LLC, your premier partner in machine solutions. With years of expertise and dedication, we are committed to delivering top-notch services tailored to your industrial needs. Unlock top performance with Ctme's comprehensive suite of services. From CNC and machine repair to electrical services and machine sales, we ensure your machines never miss a beat. Meet Chris, CEO and President, Ctme.
Celebrating progress, embracing innovation, and ensuring excellence in every endeavor. This is the ethos of Ctme. As CEO, I am proud to lead a team dedicated to shaping the future of machines and their maintenance. With a commitment to quality, efficiency, and customer satisfaction, we embark on each day with passion and purpose. Together, let us continue to push boundaries, exceed expectations, and redefine what's possible in our industry. Welcome to Ctme, where mastery meets machine.
Ctme is proud to be partnered with 6 industry-leading companies, expanding our reach and providing you with the best selection of machinery. Take a look at some of the machines we offer. Our partnerships allow us to offer a wide range of machinery. Ensuring that you have access to the latest technology and innovations in the industry. From CNC machines to robotics and electrical solutions, we've got you covered. We offers our services from coast to coast. Ctme serves industries across the United States, providing comprehensive machine solutions that meet the unique needs of each region. We serve a diverse range of industries: aerospace, oil and gas, automotive, agriculture, appliances, and other industries. Our expertise spans multiple sectors, ensuring tailored solutions for your business. Hear what our valued clients have to say about their journey with Ctme. Whether it's servicing, selling, or innovating, Ctme is your trusted partner every step of the way. Contact us today and let's build the future of industry together. Ctme. Ctme, CNC Machine Repair and Electrical Services LLC.